Hey, this is Brad with WTI. It's starting to get to be that time of year where you can be outside, you can enjoy a nice fire. That's where this TerraFab 31.5-inch round fire pit table comes in really handy. One of the things that we really like about it is the finish. It's got like this lunar kind of vibe going on. It kind of matches the decor that you have at the house. Well, another thing that we like about it was the lava rocks that they give you with it. Having a gas fire pit is really nice. You don't have to deal with smoke following you around the fire. The cleanup is really easy. You turn it off, you put the cover on. Really nice cover, which keeps everything dry, by the way. We got the rain cover with it as well, and what's nice about that is it fits nice and snug to it. It keeps the rain off of it. The tank doesn't sit up under the unit itself, which is nice, so it keeps it nice and low profile. They've actually added this round cylinder with this same finish on it, so that way it hides the propane tank, which honestly can be kind of ugly. And it also gives you another place to put a drink or plants or another accent. So it gives you kind of like this little end table. The design of it itself, it gives you a spot to put stuff, like if you're making s'mores with the kids, right? Like a little flame, like a lot of flame. Well, this adjustable knob has it there for you. You're able to turn it up and down to exactly where you want it. It's 50,000 BTUs, so you can feel the heat coming off of it. It'll keep you nice and warm on those cool nights. Well, now if you'll excuse me, I'm going to enjoy my nice fire pit table, and that's my point of view.